Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster. Today I have with me the finishing touch flawless new razor. Now this is the box it comes in and this is the razor itself. I of course will show you details in closer as well as the razor and how it functions, but before I do, let me run you through it a little bit. If you are thinking that this is just another razor, you are solely mistaken. This is an electric razor like no other. Why I say this has an 18 karat gold plated head. It also has a built-in light right here. It can be used up or down in any direction you prefer, and it promises not to leave any nicks or bumps when it shaves your skin. It is rechargeable and it promises overall to remove hair instantly without any pain. So now that I have done that, I am going to take you through a close-up of this razor as well as how I feel about it after having used it on myself. Now, the finishing touch flawless new razor includes this cardboard box. It came in a larger plastic box, but this includes more descriptions of the features of this particular razor. As you can see right here, it mentions everything you need to know quite clearly, as well as the accessories included in the kit. And while we are talking about accessories, this is how they come in the kit with this razor. Right here, it includes a USB charging cable, a sensor guard, and a cover. I'm opening it up for you to see. There is a manual right here. There is a comb and there is a guard as well as a cover. This is the charging cable, as you can see, that easily goes into the razor on one end and into a USB port on the other. Another look at the accessories, the cover, the comb, and the guard. But of course, the moment you've been waiting for has been for the razor itself. Here it is. First things first, just by appearance, I'd like to say that this is the most stunning razor I've ever seen. If the colors aren't showing up clearly, it is a baby pink in color over its body with rose gold detailing in certain parts over its handle. Now, this is the head of the razor. As you can see, this is what the head looks like, and this is a different kind of head which can be used in this motion or it can be used in this motion. That's completely up to you, and it gives you a lot of freedom of choice when you are shaving. Now, a little more detail about the handle itself. As you can see, it has an embossed detail which gives you great grip. So especially if it is wet and slippery, you can still hold on to this pretty firmly. At the back is where you have to charge the razor, and this is the little light here. I've turned it on and you can see the light for yourself. It's a great added touch because even though a light seems like a tiny feature, it is great to see those really minute hair over your body which may have been left behind. Overall, here's what this looks like. Now we have gone through the features, we've done an unboxing, we've looked at a close-up. So let me tell you my personal experience after having used this razor on myself. I used it over my body hair so I can report to you exactly how it actually functions. Like I mentioned before, it is a really stunning piece to look at, but functionality wise it is really good as well. It is nice that the razor works both up and down, so that you aren't too restricted when you are shaving. More often than not, when using other razors, we tend to have to move in a single direction and maybe have to just do that with a continuous motion. But with this, you can move up, down anyway, and it won't affect the growth of your hair or even the way the hair comes out, which is a nice touch. I also liked in particular the built-in light right here. I have shown you that in the previous unboxing detail, and that's a really nice touch because very often even when you are razoring and shaving, you tend to miss on tiny little hairs which are growing, and then you see that later and think, oh, I should have seen that. But with this, it doesn't let you miss that. The light is quite bright, so when you shine it on your skin, you can definitely see even really tiny hairs that are growing up, so you can catch them and remove them. It really does remove hair very instantly and pain free through the process, which is really nice. There isn't a worry about having stings or nicks, bumps, cuts, nothing of that sort when I was razoring. However, one point to note is I did notice that when razoring, it worked best on a large flat section of skin, like say the limbs or the thighs or the hands. When it comes to more narrow sections, I find that the head of it is a little broad, so even though it does move a little towards the side, it does need a little more turning and contouring of the head to kind of get into those areas, which would be like the underarm area, for example. You will have to make more of a turning motion. It isn't as smooth, but when it comes to larger expanses of skin, like I said, like your thighs or your hands, it works effortlessly and very smoothly without you having to maneuver it overall. Like, to do with its size, it is a really great piece because it's really tiny, it's really sleek, and in fact, even if you tuck it into your handbag, it doesn't really look bulky and unsightly. It's a really pretty addition. So it gets a complete 10 on 10 from us, and that is what we think about it.